It's chapter 4, okay, lesson 1. We're going to be talking about multiplication. Okay? Uh, in this case, we're going to talk about equal groups. Okay, let's build our knowledge. It says when you have equal groups, you have the same number of objects in each group. And then use repeated addition, okay, to find the total number of objects. So repeated addition, this, by the way, is a strategy that you use, okay, that you use to solve your multiplication fact. Okay, it looks something like this. It says find the total in 4 groups of 5. Okay, so I'm going to use drawings. It says use connecting cubes to show equal. Let's do some drawings first, and then I'll show you what they're talking about connected cubes. Okay, so I need, how many groups do I need? 4 of them, right? 4 groups. It is, right? I'm just going to lay this 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many in each group? I have 4 groups, but how many in each group? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there are 4 groups of 5 with 5 in each group. Then it says write the number of cubes in each group. So now it told us to use repeated addition, correct? Okay, so how many are in the first group? How many in that group? 5. How many in the next group? And the next group after that? And the next group after that? So that added all those together, I get 20. Very nice, 20. It says record the number of groups, the number in each group, and the total from above. So we did that. And then it says explore other ways to group the 20 cubes equally. So this is what we're going to do. Okay, so what we're going to do. You see the little green button at the bottom that has the three shapes. Thank you. Click on that, and it should take you to here. Okay, click where it says connecting cubes. Click on that for me. It should take you here. Okay, so now I'm just click and drag, right? So again, they told you that you had 4 groups, okay, of 5 each. No, they have 4 groups of 5 each, right? Yes? Okay, so I need 4 groups of 5 each, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, yes, 4, 5, nope, does not matter what color. 5, so that's 1 group. How many more groups do I need? 3 more groups, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to connect them. And another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and then I can move all of them in one group. So 4 groups of 5. So how many total do I have? Well, let's see. I have 5, 5, 5, 5, and if I add all those together, I'm going to go. So hold on, let me move some of the stuff around. Have that group. Whoops. Didn't want to do that. So let me move that over. Okay, now I have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That equals what again? 20. So that's what they told you when they wanted for you to use cubes, connected cubes. You use that. So we went 4 groups of 5, right? Okay. Let's find 2 more ways of grouping 20. They want to know, explore other ways to group the 20 cubes equally. So let's go back to the virtual manipulatives, and I'm gonna. You see the little this right here? That tool right there, the one with the 3 shapes. Click that, and erases everything. Okay. So what's another way to make 20? We're gonna have 4 groups with 5 each. 10 and 10. So that means how many groups do I need? Would I need? 2 groups of how many each? 2 groups of 5 each would be 10. I want 20. So 2 groups of 10 each. So we're going to want 2 groups of 10. Right? Now, if you, this is on cute and dandy, but if you like Miss Patia, instead of cubes, if you click the little arrow pointing down, bears in the boat, then we can go 1, 2, 3, 4. Where it says manipulatives, right here, click the arrow and you have your options going down. And it's the bears in a boat. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's just one group. I need another one, right? Let's go with purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So what would be my repeated addition? What would be, if I was going to use repeated addition, which numbers am I adding? 10 plus 10. Very nice. So 10 plus 10 equals 20. Okay. Best way is make sure that the all the bears are all lined up in a single row. So you might want to move them. So if I have 2 groups of 10, 4 groups of 5, what else can I do? 4 and 6? No, 4 times 6, that's 24, not 20. If I had 2 groups of 10, can I do 10 groups of 2? Can I do 10 groups of 2? So now I just have, let's, I don't want to use him. Yes, I can, but I don't want to use the boat because I run out of space. So can I just do this? That's one group. That's another group. That's another group. No, you don't have to. So I need 10 groups. I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need a couple more. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then one more group. 10. So now I have 10 groups of 2. So what would be my repeated addition? How many 2s am I going to need? How many 2s am I going to need? What was that? 10. Thank you. This thing's messing me up. No! Oh, I can do it that way, but it's messing me up. Oh, come on. Sometimes technology is not very nice. Okay, so I need 10 2s, so I need to go 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, all the way until you get across. Okay, I'll move some of these out of the way so you guys can see. So let's do this. So now 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. It's over. Plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Repeated addition. Okay, or just go 10 times 2, right? Which one would be more efficient? 10 times 2 or 2 plus 10 times 2 would be a lot more efficient. Okay. Watch the little video.
Explore model multiplication. Multiplication is an operation on two numbers that can be.
Okay, let's go ahead and watch the little video there.
Explore model multiplication. Multiplication is an operation on two numbers that can be thought of as repeated addition. For example, 4 times 6 can be thought of as 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. The highlighted sign means to multiply. You can use models to explore multiplication. Find how many are in 5 groups of 4. First, we need to model 5 groups of 4. Use connecting cubes to show 5 groups of 4 cubes. There are 5 groups. There are 4 cubes in each group. Next, we need to find 5 groups of 4. Model the groups of cubes with numbers. Use repeated addition. Finally, we could record the results. Use a table to record the number of groups, the number in each group, and the total.
Awesome. All right, so in the video, they said that they wanted 5 groups of 4. We did 4 groups of 5 already, right? So now they want 5. Yeah, right. 5 groups of 4. And what they did was actually they used these right here. So 5 groups of 4. So each group had 4. But what they did was, this is pretty cool.
What are you trying to do?
Rotate. Anyways, you rotated. I'll show you.
I thought I'm gonna try driving.
And all right, so I have 4 groups there. I mean, I have 1 group of 4, so I need another group of 4.
Yeah.
That's another group of 4. And another group of 4. So again, how many groups do I need? 4?
5.
This is 5, so I need another one. There you go. So now I have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, and I need 1 more plus 4. So if I did repeated addition, I would get 20. Now, what would be my multiplication sentence for this would be, how many groups do I have? 5. And how many in each group? 4. And we're multiplying. So 5 times 4 is also 20. Okay. Just so you know, it says 6 groups of 2, right? 6 groups of 2 is the same thing as 6 times 2. All right? So you know. Okay? So when I have 2 times 4, the first number tells me how many groups I have. Okay? The second number tells me how many in each group. Okay? So for number 4, 6 groups of 2. What you could do is, you can go back to the manipulatives, to this. Go back to this. Okay, it says 6 groups, so I'm going to need 6 groups of 2 each. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So then repeated addition, it's going to go 2 plus 2 plus 2. That's 3 at the top. Plus 2 more. Plus 2 plus 2. So then I just count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Or 6 times 2. Is that what we have? Yeah. So 6 groups of 2 equal groups. What's the total? What's the total? 12. 12. So we're going to work on 5, 6, and 7. You can go back to the manipulatives and use that to help you. Because it says to draw a model. Draw a model. There's my model right there using the connected cubes. Or you can use the bears, that's right.